Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Avilash Sinari. So today we'll start with a new lesson, permutations and combinations. So there are two parts in this lesson. We'll do both of them one by one. So first we'll see permutations. Okay. So see, if we ask a question like this, find the number of ways we can arrange A, B. Two letters A and B. So what we will do? We will arrange and check. So first AB is one possible arrangement and BA is other possible arrangement. Okay, so there are total two possible arrangements. Same way, if you ask to find number of possible ways of arranging A, B and C, three letters are there. So how we find? Again, we'll try the same thing. We'll try to arrange all those, okay, in all the different possible ways and finally conclude that there are total 6 possible arrangements. Okay. Now if I increase one more letter, what is happening now? Now it starts becoming difficult. First you have to see all the different possible arrangements. You have to arrange in all the possible ways, and then second thing is check whether you repeated something here, or check whether you didn't write something here, means you missed some arrangement. Okay. And finally conclude that there are total 4 into 6, 24. But if I increased one more letter now, it will become more difficult. Okay. So with this method, it is difficult to find number of letters, means directly checking, directly arranging and checking how many possible ways are there. So we need some different method. Okay. So that method we'll learn in the new lesson, that is permutations. Okay, permutations is basically arrangement only, means when we say number of different arrangements, we actually say number of different permutations. So this is one permutation, arrangement or permutation. This is one permutation. So like this there are 6 permutations. Okay, permutations is actually arrangement only. Okay, so we'll start with the lesson. So find the number of ways we can arrange 5 letters A, B, C, D and E taken 2 at a time. First one if repetition is not allowed, and second one is repetition is allowed. So for this problem we'll just try to understand properly how exactly it is done, and from the second problem directly we'll do the problem, means directly by taking the numbers we'll do. Okay, we will not go for arrangement like this. See, first we have 5 letters A, B, C, D and E taken 2 at a time. Okay, means what? It will be like this: AB, BC, AC, AD, CD. So like this, how many different possible arrangements are there, that you have to check. Okay, see. So first what we can do, see, there are 2 places basically, first place and second place. And in first place, see, for example, first place if I take A, okay, then in the second place, what are the different letters we can take? If first place, if I take A, second place can be either B. See, first place if I take A, okay, first place if I take A, second place can be either B or C or D or E. Okay, there are 4 ways. Understood? If first place is A, then second place can be filled in 4 ways. Okay, if first place is B, again second place can be filled in 4 ways. Okay, if first place is C, second place can be filled in 4 ways. If first place is D, again second place can be filled in 4 ways. And if first place is E, again second place can be filled in 4 ways. Okay, understood? If first place is A, second place can be filled in 4 ways: B, C, D and E. If first place is B, second place can be filled in 4 ways: this A, C, D and E. Why? Because repetition is not allowed. We can't take B and B like this. If the first place is C, again there are 4 ways of arranging. Okay, filling the second place. There are 4 ways of filling the second place. Okay, that is B, A, B, D and E. Next, if first place is D, then 4 ways to fill the second place: A, B, C and E. And if first place is E, then A, B, C and D. Okay. So first of all, the possible number of ways of selecting the first place is 5. Okay. And each time if first place is selected, then the number of ways of selecting the second place is 4. So number of possible ways of arranging this is what? Of arranging is what? First place 5, second place 4, each time 4. So 5 into 4, which is 20 ways that you can check. Okay. You can multiply this, add, check, count this and check. Okay. Similarly, now if repetition is allowed, then what happens? See, if first place is A, then second place can be A, because repetition is allowed now. Again, we can get A. First place is A, then second place can also be A. First, then other B, C, D and E. So if first place is A, first place is A, then second place can be selected in 5 ways only, if there are 5 letters. Okay. If first place is B, then also 5 ways are there. Okay. If first place is C, then also 5 ways. And if first place is D, then also 5 ways. If first place is E, then also 5 ways. EA, EB, EC, ED and EE. So we can select first place in 5 ways, and after selecting first place, we can select second place in 5 ways only, because repetition is allowed. So number of possible ways is 5 into 5, which is 25, or 5 square you can say. Okay. See, if repetition is not allowed, then it becomes 1 less. Okay. If repetition is allowed, then it remains the same thing. Okay. Like this it is. Now same way, if I ask you question, find the number of ways we can arrange 5 letters A, B, C, D and E, taken 3 at a time. So now we'll do directly. See, taken 3 at a time. So now first place can be filled in how many ways? So 3 places basically now. First, second and third. 3 places. First places can be filled in 5 ways, because there are 5 letters A, B, C, D and E. Okay. So after placing after placing this first letter, for example A, if I placed A here, A out of A, B, C, D and E, if I placed A here, then second place can be filled in remaining 4 ways, as we did in the previous problem. C, B, C, D, E. Okay. For example, if I selected D from this, anything I can select. Okay. Then third place can be selected in 3 ways, remaining 3 ways. Okay. Like this. For example, we selected C, like this. Understood? So first place we can select in 5 ways, second in 4 ways, third in 3 ways. So number of possible ways 5 into 4 into 3, which is 60. Like this it is. Now same thing here. Now if repetition is allowed, then first place, if I selected A there, again in so there are total 5 ways for first place. Okay. And select first, means we can place the letter at the first place in 5 ways. Now if I selected one from here, for example A, then also selecting the second place, there are 5 ways. Okay, because repetition is allowed, we can select A also here. Okay, even third place 5 ways. So 5 into 5 into 5, so it is 125 ways. Okay, so like this it is. Okay, so third problem, how many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6? Assuming that first one, if repetition is allowed, second, if repetition is not allowed. Okay, so there are basically 6 digits and you have to form 3-digit number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6, like this. Okay, how many possible arrangements like this are there that you have to check. Okay, so that means what you are doing, we have 6 objects that we are placing at 3 places and we are checking the number of possible ways this can be done. So there are 3 places like this and 6 objects. Okay, so first place, for first place, since repetition is allowed, out of 6, anything we can select out of 1 to 6, anything we can select for first place. For example, if you have selected one of these, then for second place, means one of the 6 possible ways are there. If you have selected one of these for first place, what about second place? Second place can be selected in again 6 ways because repetition is allowed. Okay, for example, if you have selected 6 here, here also I can select 6. Okay, if I selected 6 here, I can select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any one of those. So 6 ways are there for this also, out of this all 6. Okay, and even the third place, if I selected for example 3, then here also I can select 3, or here I can select any one from 1 to 6. Okay, so here also there are 6 possible ways out of this all. Okay, so therefore total number of possible ways will be what? 6 into 6 into 6, or 6 cube we see. So 36 into 6, 216. Okay, now if the repetition is not allowed, then what happens? Now there are 6 places, 6 objects and 3 places again. Okay, so first, for example, out of 6 we select one. For example, we select this one. Okay, out of 6 we can select any one for the first place. So if we select 2 here, then in the second place we can't select 2, we have to select out of remaining 5. Okay, that is 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. So out of these 5 we have to select 1. Okay, we can't select 2 now. For example, you have selected 4 from this. Now for the third place we can't select 4. Okay, you have to select out of remaining 1, 3, 5 and 6. Okay, out of remaining 4. Okay, like this. So there are number of ways are 6 into 5 into 4. So 30 into 4, 120 ways. Okay, so different number of ways are 216 here and 120 here if the repetition is not allowed. Okay. Next question, how many 4-digit even numbers can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? First, if the repetition is allowed. Second, if the repetition is not allowed. Okay, so what is asked here? Asked to find how many 4 digits even numbers you can form from this. Okay, so there are total 7 digits here. From this you have to make 4-digit even numbers. Okay, so 7 objects we have and 4 places we have in short. Okay, so I'll just draw that. Now there is one condition here, that they must be even numbers. Means what? See, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is an even number. Why? Because last digit is 4, that is even. Okay, but similarly 4, 5, 6, 2. This is an even number. Okay, since last place is even. Similarly, now tell me what about this 1, 3, 4, 7. This is not even number. Okay, so that last place, the number at last place, that is this, should be even. Okay, should be out of these 3, 2, 4 and 6. So for last place we have only 3 choices, 2, 4 and 6. Okay, so I will put that here. So for last place I can either put 2, 4 or 6. So there are only 3 choices. Okay, now for example I have selected one of this. Okay, then now I'll fill the first place. Okay, for example, I've selected one of this. For example, I selected 4. Now I'll fill the first place. So how many ways are there? See, since the repetition is allowed, I still have 7 choices now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of this, anyone I can select, because I can repeat that. For example, if I selected 4 here, still I can select 4 here. So I can repeat that. So out of all these 7 choices, I can make any one choice. So there are total 7 choices for first place. Similarly, for example, I have selected this from here. Still, I can select that number here also or any other number. So still I have 7 choices. Okay. Even for the third place, I have 7 choices. Okay. For example, I have selected this from this. Still I have 7 choices. Any one I can select from this. Okay. So 7 into 7 into 7 into 3. Okay. So therefore, the total number of ways will be what? 7 into 7 into 7 into 3. So 49 into 7. Okay, which is 343 into 3. Okay. So 1029. Okay. Now, next, if the repetition is allowed, now I have again 7 objects and 4 places. Okay, second, if the repetition is not allowed. Here the repetition was allowed, here the repetition is not allowed now. So first I'll fill the last place 2, 4, 6. Any one out of this. For example, I have selected 4. So since I have 3 choices, I'll write 3 here. Okay. Now after I select any one of these, now I have, if I fill this place now, then I have 6 choices for it. Okay, 6 choices for it. Now if I fill this place with any of the number, then I have 5 choices for this now. Okay, for the next place. If I select any one of the number, I have 4 choices now for this place. Okay, so 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So number of ways is equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. So 30, 120 into 3. So 360. Okay, the number of ways is 360. Therefore, number of 4-digit even numbers that can be found from these digits is 1029 if the digits are allowed to be repeated, and it is 360 if the digits are not allowed to be repeated. Okay. Okay, next, how many 5-digit telephone numbers can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if each number starts with 6, 7 and no digit appear more than once? Okay, so we have digits 0 to 9. So 10 objects in total. Okay, 10 objects and how many places? 5 places, because 5-digit telephone numbers we are selecting. And but the problem is each number should start with 6, 7. For example, it must be like 6, 7, 1, 2, 3 or 6, 7, 0, 2, 4 or 6, 7, 1, 8, 9 like this. Like this it must be. Okay, it should start with 6, 7 and no digit appear more than once. But means we can't take like this 1, 1, 1 like this we can't take, or 1, 1, 2. No digit can appear more than once. Okay, so how many possible ways are there? First of all, for first place, okay, there is only one choice, that is 6. For second place, there is only one choice, that is 7. Okay, here we can't take anything else. We can only take 6 or 7 here. First place only 6 and second place only 7, only one. Okay, out of this 10. Now third place, now 6 and 7 are already selected. So what are remaining now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 and 9. These are remaining. Okay, since this we have already selected. So out of this, any one, so out of 9, so we have 9, we have 8 choices here. Out of 8 choices, even 0 is there. So out of 8 choices, okay, we are selecting any one of this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like this. Okay, so 8 here. Then, for example, we have selected any one. Then, for next place, we have only 7 choices. Okay, like this. For example, we have selected one more here. Then, for next place, we have only 6 choices. Okay, so therefore, number of possible ways of making such telephone number is 8 into 7 into 6. So 56 into 6. 336. Okay, 1 into 1 into 8 into 7 into 6, which is 336. So therefore, we can construct 336 telephone numbers if this restriction is given. Okay, 336 different telephone numbers you can construct using this. Okay, so we'll stop here and in the next class we'll continue. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.